Hello guys! Pakita ko lang sa inyo today, Friday dito sa London, Ontario. Nakita nyo guys yung snow, nalulusaw na siya. Ayan o. Ayan. Today lang yan. Kahapon ang kapal-kapal niyan. Tapos ngayon nakita ko, luminipis na siya. Ayan o. Malinis na yung daanan.
Hello mga ka-dreamers! Welcome back to my vlog. Hello everyone! For today's video, share ko lang sa inyo ang top 10 cities na safest dito sa Canada. Okay, ayon po sa statistic, Canada's Annual Compilations of the Crime Severity Index or CSI offers one of the most trustworthy indicators of crime in Canada in Canadian citizens. So, ito po yung top cities, guys, na safe na tumira o mag-settle dito sa Canada. Una, Oak Bay, British Columbia. Oak Bay is a small but affluent suburb of Victoria, low CSI of 27.5. Next, Blainville, Quebec. Blainville is a Montreal suburb, has a low CSI of 28.3. Well-known features include family-friendly living, well-designed residential neighbor, and vibrant community life. Yan po yung second safest cities in Canada. Third, Aurora, Ontario. Aurora is a quaint village in the Greater Toronto area. Has CSI of 34.2. It combines the convenience of urban living with the charms of a small town. Aurora is renowned for its great schools, verdant parks, and strong sense of community, all of which help to explain its low crime rate. Fourth, LaSalle, Ontario. This little village is located near Windsor, has a CSI of 35.7. LaSalle provides a peaceful suburban lifestyle together with a picturesque parks, close-knit neighborhoods, and dedications of public safety. Additionally, it offers more security measures and resources because of its advantageous positions close to the U.S. border. Fifth, Burlington, Ontario. Burlington with a CSI of 40.9 is still another safe haven in Ontario. This Lake Ontario shoreline city is also known for the large number of green areas and active community involvement. Its proximity to Toronto enhances with safety without sacrificing charm. Next, Lévis, Quebec, 41.6 CSI, sits directly across the river from Quebec City. The city provides its citizens with security by blending modern convenience with historical charm. Lévis, Quebec benefits from vigorous community policing initiatives and a strong municipal government. 7. Markham, Ontario. Markham, which is part of the Greater Toronto area, has a CSI of 44.5. It is a multicultural, fast-expanding metropolis renowned for its creative culture and cutting-edge technology. Community services and efficient police enforcement make living in Markham safe. 8. Quebec City, Quebec. Quebec City consistently ranked as one of the Canada's safest city. The CSI is just 44.8, which is significantly below the national average. 9 cities, Richmond Hill, Ontario. Richmond Hill rounds out the list of 45.9 CSI. This city provides metropolitan conveniences along with the suburban comfort. It is well known for its high quality of life, top-notch schools, and aggressive community safety measures. Last one, Ottawa, Ontario. Ottawa is the country capital, has a low CSI of 51.1, with so many museums, parks, and the picturesque Rideau Canal. The city is a center of cultures and history in addition to politics. That's the last safest cities in Canada is the Ottawa, Ontario. The highest safety rating is a result of both active community, police, and well-kept neighborhood. The safest cities in Canada provide a special fusions of community, security, and high quality of life. Families, working professionals, and retirees will find these cities to be perfect, from the charming streets of Quebec City to the peaceful neighborhoods of Oak Bay. The cities need to be at top of your list, whether you're thinking about moving or just want a safe place to travel. So yan yung top 10 of Canada's safest city. Ulitin ko guys, number 1, Oak Bay, British Columbia. Second, Blainville, Quebec. Third, Aurora, Ontario. Fourth, LaSalle, Ontario. 5, Burlington, Ontario. 6, Lévis, Quebec. 7, Markham, Ontario. 8, Quebec City, Quebec. 9, Richmond Hill, Ontario. And the last one, number 10, Ottawa, Ontario. So marami pong mga safest cities located po sa Ontario. Bakit hindi po kasama yung area ko? Yung London, Ontario. Safe naman siya guys. Safe naman po dito. Pero hindi siya kasama. Siguro marami ding krimen na hindi ko lang alam. Kasi pag doon sa downtown ay marami din po mga mga homeless. Siguro talagang hindi kasama yung London. Pero safe naman guys. Hindi naman nakakatakot. So yan guys, share ko lang sa inyo yung mga safest cities dito sa Canada. Kung kayo po ay nagpaplano mag-migrate o mag-apply ng work dito sa Canada, yan po yung mga safest cities na nabanggit ko. O diba, Ottawa yung capital city, pero napaka-safe pa rin ng place na yan. So maganda, lalo na po yung mga paparating pa lang o nagpaplano pa lang napumunta dito sa Canada. Ayan na po guys yung 10 safest cities dito sa Canada. So mamili na lang po kayo kung saan nyo po gustong mag-settle dito sa Canada together with your families. Pero for me, mas gusto ko dito na rin sa London kasi tahimik naman dito guys. Pero lang dun sa downtown, syempre meron ka makikita mga homeless. Pero dito sa area na to, dito sa amin, napaka-tahimik at actually hindi nga ako masyadong nakakita dito ng police na pagala-gala. For me kasi na-experience ko na rin magstay dito ng mga ilang buwan. Kasi dito na rin talaga, mas nagugustuhan ko dito kasi tahimik dito. Ganda dito kasi nga medyo hindi mahal ang cost of living dito sa London. Pero mas less yung opportunities ng jobs dito. Siyempre, mas maganda pa rin sa mga city like Toronto, Greater Toronto, kasi mas maraming opportunity doon, dahil na po yung mga naghahanap ng work. Pero for me, I choose here, London, Ontario. So yun na guys, na-share ko lang sa inyo yung mga safest cities dito sa Canada. Top 10 po yun. Kayo na lang po mamimili kung saan nyo po gusto o balak mag-settle down together with your family. So, yun lang guys. So, guys, if you find my video helpful, please subscribe naman po and do like and share na rin po. Kung nagustuhan niyo po yung mga video ko at nakakatulong po sa inyo, please pakiclick naman po yung notification para ma-notify po sa mga bago kong video. So, yun lang po. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless all.